Hello friends, how you guys doing? Today is another round of product recommendation. Why am I recommending this? It's because this is branded, the price is reasonable, it is portable, it has got a large capacity battery of 4000 mAh, and most importantly, the wind is really strong. Alright, what's inside the box is the fan itself, one USB to Type-C cable, and this is the menu, and that's it. And let's take a look at the design of the fan. The height is about 33 cm, the width is about 13 cm, and it has got a 2.5 inch blade. And this fan got a 3-speed selection. The left-right turning is about 60 degree, the up-down is about 27 degree, and the charging port is right over here, the Type-C charging port. Alright, and for the cleaning of this fan is very easy. There's a screw beneath here, so you need to take out, and then you can just turn anti-clockwise to take out this cover, so you can clean the blade. So when you put in, it's very easy. Turn clockwise. Alright, hear the tack sound, that's it. And this fan weighs only about 550 grams. It's really light and portable. You can use it when you're cooking, or you can carry it around when you're studying or relaxing. Alright, you can bring it anywhere. It's really portable. And the design of the base makes it very stable. Alright, it won't fall easily. Alright, as you can see, there's a curved design over here. It won't fall easily. Alright, for me the fan is rather quiet. Alright, it's not noisy. Let's test out the sound. This is the first speed, second speed, this is the fastest, third speed. Okay, now let's try out how strong the fan is. Currently it's about 72 cm. The fan is away from the robot. Now let's start the first gear. As you can see, the fan is quite strong for the first gear. Second speed is stronger. The last one. Alright, as you can see, the tissue is flying. Alright, that marks the end of my video. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.